Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Resultant, the faculty driven institute. Hope you guys are fine. So, guys, a very important notification for you guys. HPCL has released the vacancies for civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and that too without gate scorecard. So, guys, if you were disheartened that you were not able to score good marks, so now you don't have to worry about it because we have come up with a thing that HPCL has basically come up with a notification that yeah, you can give a separate test for HPCL, get a good rank, basically fight for it, and you can get into PSU this way around. Okay, so I'll quickly tell you few of the important things regarding it, and so that you can know. And first of all, it's been mentioned about HPCL when it has been established, and obviously it is a Maharatna, Maharatna, Mini Ratna, different is there. So this is a Maharatna companies. Talking about here, the commencement is today, that is 5th June 2024, and last date will be 30th June 2024, guys. Okay, talking about the vacancies, so here the vacancy for mechanical engineer is 93 vacancies. Okay, pretty much high. Electric 93, it will include everything, means all the categories are included in this. Okay, it's not only for general like that. Electrical engineering 43, instrumentation engineers it is 5, civil engineer it is 10, and chemical engineer it is 7. Okay, so these are the vacancies you are having. Then other vacancies are there based on experience, but these vacancies are there for mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, civil and chemical, in which you don't require any minimum experience. Okay, and the maximum age is also 25. So I guess this is a pretty much good opportunities. Apart from that, for other managerial post and experience wise post, it is there, which is not required for you. Talking about next, that ma'am, how will be the qualification happening? I mean, what will be the manner in which you can apply? So before that, let me tell you, like if you have done engineering from mechanical or mechanical and production, you are eligible. Similarly, electrical or electrical and electronics, you are eligible. Instrumentation also been mentioned to you, civil and chemical. Civil, it's only civil. Okay, it's nothing more complicated. Talking about next, this is not required for you, this is for the experienced, this one post, this is not required to you. Directly coming about that, how will your selection take place, so what will be the criteria? So let's talk about it directly. So here the shortlisting and selection process. First of all, it will comprise of CBT, that is computer based test, group test, and personal interview. Okay, so firstly, what will happen? The first procedure which will happen will be your computer based test. Here there will be two parts. First will be your general aptitude. In this general aptitude, what will be there? English language, quantitative aptitude test will be there, and intellectual potential test will be there. Okay, LR, that is logical reasoning, and DI, that is data interpretation will be there. Talking about after that, second part will comprise of your technical or professional knowledge. In this, you will be whatever civil, mechanical, electrical, whatever is your degree, based on that it will be there. Next, if I talk about further, here what will be having, here computer based test will be there. So if you are selected there, okay, you have to have a minimum marks in this, okay, which is the qualifying marks. After that, what will be having, you will be uploading your documents, everything and all. Then you will be called for personal interview and group task. Okay, so minimum qualifying marks will be there in each of the sections, means PI, group task, everything it should be there. Okay, after that, what will be happening? First, it has been written to you. So all the stages, CBT, group task, personal, and in technical interviews. Okay, work experience for the freshers, basically for the ones who without gate scorecard, that one it's not required. Experience is not required. For managerial post and all, experience is required, so not for you guys. Okay, so shortlisting will be based on then, and there will be obviously a medical, which is a protocol obviously. So medical will be there, that you should be medically fit. So that will be your final approval after you qualify all these written and group task and personal interview. So that will be there. Apart from that, guys, one more thing is there, that there is a provision period of 1 year, which is being mentioned to you from the date of joining. Okay, so that is 1 year of provision period will be there, and the grade pay which you will be getting, pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000 initially. 5,000 will be deducted every month as a retention amount. Okay, during your probation period for the first 6 months. Okay, and after your 1 year is completed, that amount will be refunded to you. That's pretty much simple. Okay, now next, coming about the reservation, and also of course, like normal, according to the provisions, whatever is the provisions for the disabled or specially able people, or category wise, that is exactly same. Age relaxation, everything is same like that. Pay scale is being mentioned to you, like the one which we are talking about is 50,000 to 1,60,000. Okay, so that is being mentioned to you. Apart from that, the other thing which you need to know is you have to submit all your documents. If you belong to any category and all, that you have to submit. Age relaxation and all is mentioned to you. The important thing which you need to know, that this application starts from today, that is 5th of June, and this will end on 30th of June. Now you are like, "Ma'am, from where does we can get it?" Okay, so you can go to the site www.hindustanpetroleum.com. Okay, so this is the thing. This is the thing which you have to go, this site www dot, just a minute, this site www.hindustanpetroleum.com. So you will go there, you will go to the careers, current openings, and there you can go and you can start filling your application. Okay, so this is the one. And in case if you face any doubts, you can ask to me, you can comment, or you can join my Telegram group and you can tag me. I'll help you out. Okay, but here you have to pay a application fees will be there. The application fees is 1,180, which is not at all refundable. Okay, and basically application fees is 1,000, GST 18%, that is 180 rupees. So 1,000 plus 180, that is 1,180 rupees. Okay, so that is the thing which you have to do. So guys, as much as possible, try to do it before 30th June. Don't wait for the last moment, and start your preparation from now, so that basically, because specifically for mechanical engineers, 93 vacancies are there. Civil it's 10, but for mechanical it's like you have got a, if you haven't cleared gate or you have cleared with a very less marks, you have got a better opportunity. Now you are going to a Maharatna company, has released 93 vacancies, which is a very good number. Okay, so you can go through it, and we'll meet you in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you, everyone.